email writing is an indispensable aspect of both personal and professional lives. However, crafting an email that communicates the intended message while maintaining a professional and polished tone can be a challenging and time-consuming task. Fortunately, OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail offers a cutting-edge solution to streamline and optimize the email writing process. With its advanced technology and self-learning capabilities, this AI assistant can help users create high-quality, persuasive emails in a matter of seconds. Introducing OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail. This technology for Gmail is an AI writing assistant that employs the GPT 3.5 language model to generate premium quality content that meets the user's needs. The GPT 3.5 language model is a state-of-the-art deep learning model that can produce accurate and highly readable texts. Through OpenAI for Gmail, this technology becomes accessible to users looking for a convenient and efficient way to write emails. How to use OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail. Using OpenAI for Gmail is incredibly simple and straightforward. First, add the extension to your Google Chrome browser. After this, open the tool, enter the content you have in mind, click the Generate button, log in to your OpenAI ChatGPT account, and return to the Gmail interface. The AI assistant will automatically generate high-quality email content that's tailored to your needs, helping you save time and effort and allowing you to focus on other crucial tasks. What's more, this tool for Gmail isn't limited to a particular type of email writing. This AI assistant offers a variety of amazing features, including personalized email writing that allows users to edit recipient names, company names, job titles, and more. Additionally, you can choose from various email types and formats, such as inquiry emails, thank you notes, invitations, and job applications. Regardless of the email type, ChatGPT for Gmail generates high-quality email content that looks professional, polished, and persuasive. The intelligent AI assistant, ChatGPT for Gmail, is not only efficient and convenient, it's also intelligent. As the tool runs, it adapts to user writing habits, improving and optimizing email content based on user feedback and preferences. With each use, the AI assistant becomes more adaptive and intelligent, giving users a more personalized and user-friendly experience. The benefits of OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail. As an AI writing assistant, this technology for Gmail offers a secure and private way to simplify and optimize email writing efficiency. It reduces work pressure and makes cross-cultural communication more manageable, especially for non-native English speakers. This revolutionary tool helps users achieve their email writing goals and complete email writing tasks more efficiently, improving work efficiency, and making cross-cultural communication a much smoother process. The future of writing, OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail. In conclusion, this technology for Gmail is an AI writing assistant that's revolutionizing the email writing process. With its advanced technology, convenience, efficiency, and self-learning capabilities, this tool is the future of writing. Whether you're a professional looking to improve email communication for your business or a non-native English speaker seeking better cross-cultural communication, OpenAI ChatGPT for Gmail can help you achieve your goals and streamline your email writing process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.